We're heading back to the office, and work won't be the same. The age of hybrid work is here. From home to the office and everywhere in between, work is happening where we are. Work where you want. Finding a space is easy. Just set down your phone and voila! Your meetings, contacts, and calendar are a touch away. Need a meeting room? Book on the fly and you're in, without touching a thing. Collaboration is easy. You can use whiteboarding and annotation to capture, share, and store ideas as they happen with the apps you already use.
Could you turn the temperature down 3 degrees, please?
Webex rooms are smart, monitoring the environment, checking air quality, temperature, and noise levels, so you can optimize the space for comfort and safety. These rooms can even alert you if the room gets too crowded. Need to get on the road? Seamlessly move any meeting to your phone and get going. Working from home? You have access to the same groundbreaking AI your colleagues have at the office that automatically takes notes, captures action items, and provides real-time transcription and language translation. Bring everything together with an instant office designed to deliver high-fidelity collaboration while reducing video fatigue. Make distractions a thing of the past with automatic noise removal, speech enhancement, and background replacement, so the focus stays where it should be, on the meeting. Sometimes words aren't enough. Now the entire team can participate with nonverbal cues and polling. And modern cloud calling enables you to bring the office phone with you and answer on any device. Webex makes it easy to maintain all aspects of the hybrid workplace in one place. Identify trends and pinpoint any challenges, no matter if employees are working from home or the office. Troubleshoot issues in real time. Monitor and set parameters remotely to make sure each device and space is optimized for their situation. And with the World Map View, get up-to-the-moment system health reports on everything. Webex products are built with end-to-end encryption, so the only people accessing your essential data are the people who are meant to. So let's get to work. From home, the office, and everywhere in between. The world is your workplace, and it runs on Webex.